Hi everyone, welcome to Jam Michael's Knowledge Hub. My name is Ifekuru Abiodun Michael. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to be here with you today because today I will be sharing with you how to know a legit online business and what you can venture into. The two things to look for in an online business. I will be giving you two major ingredients, two major things that is going to help your life and bless you forever in order to discover a good online business you can do. And also, yes, in my last video I talked about starting with anything legit. And also, in your venture and you trying to start with just anything legit, there are two major key things you need to look for. There are two important things you need to look for. There are two things that make a business to be called a business. There are two things that make a business, and those things are the things that we'll be discussing with you today. Yeah, the first thing is this: any online business that you want to start, this is the first way to know an online business. They must have a product they sell. I know most times people have come to me and asked me, Michael, I don't know how to sell anything. I don't like selling anything. But the truth is, the world is now a global world where you don't go hiking, buy this. No. We sell all our products online. All products are mainly sold online now. Just chatting and just networking with your phone, you're going to be cashing out and be making good amount of money. But the truth is, most times, many people want to invest in something they call the business. They see as business without having a product they sell. No, it doesn't work that way. That's not what a product is. Look at Aliko Dangote, for example. That man sells sugar. He sells salt. He sells cement. You don't just give Dangote your maybe 3,800 because you like him, but you're giving him that money because he's going to give you a bag of cement. You're paying him indirectly. That's a product he sells. That's a product, and that's one major ingredient I want you to look out for in any business you want to venture into. That business must have a product they sell. They must have a product. And then the second part is any business, any legit online business must have a service they offer to the public. Most times people have told me that, okay, what if I can't get in, if I can't sell anything? Then you must be able to offer a service. For example, you're not just paying a lawyer because that lawyer is selling Google or selling something to you, but you pay them for the service they are rendering. That's offering a service, giving them something worth of value for their service. And that's what it means to offer a service. That's why most times they call people who offer service. For example, now, if I'm offering you a service, I call you my client because it's a service I'm offering you. But if I'm selling something to you, I call you my customer because I'm selling something to you. Because that's one thing I want you to know. Those are the two things, major ingredients that make any online business. They must have a product or they have a service they offer to the public. And I also even want to ask you that, have you ever asked yourself, what does business mean? Why do we even call it business? What is the meaning of business? Let me tell you something today. Business is anything you venture into with the sole aim of making profit by either offering a service or selling a product. Don't forget, you are venturing into that thing so that you can make money or you can make profit. But the reason why you're doing that is true. The way you'll be making that money, the way you'll be getting that cash is because you're either selling a product or you're offering a product, or you're offering you want to get. Okay, I want you to take note of those two things. You must either be selling a product or offering a service to the public. It's either they sell a product or offer a service to the public. Those are the two ways to have an online legit business. Those are the two ways I found. Okay, if there's anything called a business, they must either have a product or they must have a service. They must either have a product or they must have a service. You have to take note of those two things. And also, guys, in my next video, I will be sharing with you a great opportunity, an awesome opportunity that is changing my life and that can also change your life forever. It can change your life for the best, for the better. Trust me, this opportunity I'm going to be sharing with you has a touch of network marketing, has a touch of affiliate marketing in it. We have a product we sell. We touch the life of people. We change people's life forever. And I tell you, it's going to be a great one. It's going to be an awesome opportunity I'll be sharing with you next week. It's going to tell you how to make money. There's a product you can sell. And this product are awesome products. They are life-changing products. They are products that everyone is looking for in the market. But before then, see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.